My name is John Dennis and I am chairman of ILSSI based in Cambridge, United Kingdom. And it's great to be here with you. The purpose of today's live stream is to introduce to you ILSSI, to talk about what our teaching and certification of Lean and Six Sigma is all about, and how we are a top organization in the world that has the correct view of Lean and Six Sigma, how to teach it, how to train it, and how to certify it. We're also going to talk about those particular certifications. We have 16 different certifications, so we'll go through those. And then I'm going to talk to you about our training partners that are around the world and what they can offer you in terms of training, coaching, consulting, and to help you get certified by ILSSI. So let's kick off with who are ILSSI. We are in 30 countries and we have 50 partners around the world. We are based, our headquarters is in Cambridge, United Kingdom, but our training partners are in 30 countries around the world. I'm just going to share screen with you for the Accredited Partners, just to show you the map that we have of our Accredited Partners. So as you can see, we have a strong presence in Europe. We have a strong presence in Asia. We are making a stand in Africa and in North America. We've recently got some clients in South America too. So they should be showing up on that map, but they're not yet. Don't know why that is. So that is how global the organization is. We have a board of directors. We meet regularly as a board. We have a board member from Saudi Arabia. We have a board member from Romania, and the other board members are based in the United Kingdom. Our one director is based in Portugal. So partly this webinar is to teach you about ILSSI and our certifications, but I also want to be able to train you a little bit about what is Lean and what is Six Sigma. Lean is, as a subject, has been around since the late 80s, early 90s. So over 30 years, we've been training Lean, and what we saw in ILSSI was that it had not changed very much in 30 years. The training materials had not kept up with the change in the world of technology, the world's economic and climate challenges. And so we are building a program for Lean education, which addresses the changes that have happened in the world since Lean was first discussed and first documented back in the early 90s. We are now bringing into our Lean program the idea of sustainability, of processes need to be sustainable, the idea of using smart technology in our processes and re-engineering processes, the concepts of digital transformation, and the idea that we're moving into a fourth industrial revolution, which is Industry 4.0. We're also keen to introduce the idea of process mining, as well as process mapping, which has been traditionally part of Lean, and value stream mapping. We want to introduce the tools of process mining, since most companies now have information systems that are gathering large amounts of data, and this data can be mined to understand about the variance in your process and the wastes, the inefficiencies, and it can be used as a tool to help make your processes more lean. So we do want to touch upon in our courses: sustainability, smart technology, digital transformation, Industry 4.0, and process mining. On the Six Sigma side, we are trying to get away from the idea that Six Sigma is just a statistical concept, and we want to use Six Sigma in the sense of improving quality, and Six Sigma for data analytics. So a lot of the statistics is now being done for you with the software. Various softwares are available: Sigma Excel, Minitab, JMP software. A lot of the statistics is done. So the Six Sigma class should not be a statistics class anymore. We should not be learning equations and trying to push the theory on you too much about Six Sigma. What we want you to do is understand how data measurement, data analytics is very important in process improvement, in process control, and in being able to improve processes. You need to collect the data, analyze the data, and make good decisions from the data. So that's our focus when we're talking about Six Sigma. It's about quality and measurement and analysis of data. The certifications that we offer 16 certifications in 10 different languages, which is unknown in this field. No other institution or accreditation body offers certifications in 10 languages. We have them in 10 languages and 16 different varieties of certification. And the questions in the exams have been carefully administered so that they do not put too much of a burden on trainers to have people learn facts, have people just learn equations and hard memorizing of facts. We want people to understand the subject in a practical sense. We want people to understand the subject in a way in which they can apply it to their processes where they work in order to do projects. So we allow open book for the exams, open book exams, because we don't want it to be by memory. We want people to be learning as they do the exam also. And the exam should reinforce the training that you have received. Now, the way that you can be certified isn't only by exam. You can actually be certified by completion of successful projects, which are audited by both your training organization or your consultant organization and ILSSI as well. So ILSSI will do some auditing of the trainer or the consultant's projects from their students. You can do it by project, you can do it by exam, and this is also a very important differentiator between our organization and others, that we can give you our certification in Lean Six Sigma through project or exam. Now, moving on to the training. As I say, we have 50 training companies around the world. Look on our website and you will see where the training partner is that is closest to you. So if I go back to the website here, you will see a list of countries listed. Find a country that is close to you. Look at the training partner. So Pakistan, for example, that will come up as 2 training partners. No, went back to all countries. But you can search for the training partners down here. You can do a search. That should work. Not sure why it's not at the moment. Let's just try again, a different country. Cameroon. Yeah, so Cameroon shows up as 1 training partner. Find a training partner close to you and contact them about ILSSI certifications. The training can take different formats. Ask your training provider what formats do they offer for doing training. Often they will offer on-site training and coaching where they will mentor you and coach you on your project and will be training you as you do your project. That is a very good and excellent way to get training. Another method is to do classroom training where you take a block of time out and do, say, 3 days of training at a time or 5 days of training at a time, or it might be split up over 2 or 3 months with 2 days every week for a month. And that's how some training organizations offer it. Some training organizations offer workshops where you can go and get hands-on, do gamification of the training. That is an excellent way to learn if you can get a trainer that does gamification. So lots of hands-on games. So in addition to doing it by project, doing it by classroom training, doing it by workshop, you also have the option to do self-study using videos, books, resources that you have available. And that is suitable for some people. And you can, with that method, you will have to do the exam since you are doing it by yourself. So we've had a quick talk about ILSSI, about Lean, Six Sigma certifications, training organizations.